What's hiding in your rental property deal? You're about to invest your hard-earned money, but are you sure it's a good idea? I'm your host, with years of experience in real estate investing. I've seen many investors lose money due to bad deals. But today, I'll share my red flag checklist to help you avoid money pits. With this checklist, you'll learn how to analyze a rental property deal like a pro. You'll be able to identify potential issues before they become major problems. In just 15 minutes, you'll get the inside scoop on how to buy rental property the right way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently analyze any rental property deal and make informed decisions. You're thinking of buying a rental property, but you're scared. What if you make a mistake? What if you lose money? You've heard the horror stories. A property that sits vacant for months, a tenant who destroys the place, or a surprise renovation that blows your budget. These are the things that keep you up at night. You want to build wealth through real estate, but you don't want to risk your hard-earned money. You're not alone. Many new landlords and investors face the same fears. They don't know how to analyze a rental property deal, and they end up guessing. But guessing can be costly. A bad deal can lead to financial stress, and even worse, it can make you want to give up on your real estate investing dreams. You need a way to make informed decisions, to separate the good deals from the bad. That's where our red flag checklist comes in. It's a simple, yet powerful tool that will help you avoid money pits and find profitable rental properties. So, you want to invest in rental properties, but you're afraid of making a bad purchase. I get it. We've all heard horror stories about money pits and bad deals. But the truth is, you can avoid most of these problems with a simple checklist. Today, we're going to walk through a real deal, using a red flag checklist to identify potential issues. This checklist is based on years of experience and research, and it's helped countless investors avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in and take a closer look. The first red flag to watch out for is poor location. A bad location can lead to low demand, high vacancy rates, and even safety issues. You want to look for areas with growing demand, good schools, and low crime rates. The second red flag is outdated or poorly maintained properties. These properties can be money pits, requiring costly repairs and renovations. You want to look for properties that are well maintained, with modern amenities and a solid foundation. The third red flag is high property taxes. High taxes can eat into your profits, making it harder to cash flow. You want to research the local tax laws and ensure you're not overpaying. The fourth red flag is low-quality tenants. Bad tenants can lead to damaged property, missed rent payments, and even evictions. You want to have a solid tenant screening process in place, including credit checks and background checks. The fifth and final red flag is a lack of cash flow. If your property isn't generating enough cash flow, you'll be stuck with a money pit. You want to use an investment property calculator to ensure your property is generating enough income to cover expenses and provide a solid return on investment. By using this checklist and the right tools, you can avoid common pitfalls and build a successful rental property portfolio. Let's put this into practice, using a real deal as an example. We'll go through the numbers, the location, and the potential red flags. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to analyze any rental property deal and make informed decisions. Now, you can do all this math by hand. But that's exactly how expensive mistakes happen. I use software to run these numbers in seconds. It catches the red flags I almost missed on my last 3 deals. Instead of spending hours guessing, I get a crystal clear go or no-go based on real-time data. The result? I've scaled my portfolio without the sleepless nights, knowing the cash flow is locked in. If you want to stop guessing and start investing with confidence, I've put a link to my favorite analysis tool in the description. Grab it now and run your next deal through it before you sign a single paper. Now, let's dive into the final red flag.